Hey y'all! Today I'm sharing the easiest chocolate cake recipe you'll ever make. It's a one-bowl wonder, perfect for when you're craving something sweet but don't want a messy kitchen. Trust me, this will be the best chocolate cake you've ever had. Alright, let's gather all our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of white sugar, 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. Simple enough, right? First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round baking pans. This step is key to making sure your cake doesn't stick. Next, grab a large bowl and stir together sugar, flour, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. All the dry ingredients go in first. Give it a good mix until everything's well combined. Now, add in your eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Use an electric mixer on medium speed for about 2 minutes. The mix will start to look rich and chocolatey. Here comes the magic part. Stir in the boiling water. Yes, the batter will be thin, but that's exactly how it should be. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared pans. Pop them in the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool in the pans for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now you've got 2 perfectly moist and fluffy chocolate cake layers ready to be frosted with your favorite topping. If you love this recipe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious ideas. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Now, a quick tip on storing your cake. If you use buttercream frosting, the cake can sit covered at room temperature for up to 5 days. If you opt for cream cheese frosting, make sure to refrigerate it within 2 hours. Can you freeze chocolate cake? Absolutely. Just wrap the cooled, unfrosted layers in storage wrap, then a layer of aluminum foil. Store them in an airtight container and freeze for up to 3 months. When you're ready to enjoy, thaw in the fridge overnight. That's it for today, y'all. Thanks for watching, and happy baking. See the full recipe and backstory in the description below. Bye for now. Love the recipe? Please like and subscribe and share with your friend at Kraystar Flavor King.